Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make white porridge in my version. Ingredients needed is soaked white rice, coconut, tomato, beans, onion, leeks, grated carrot, beef, fenugreek, rumper, cardamom stick, curry leaves, salt, turmeric powder, ginger, garlic. First of all, you have to blend garlic and ginger and make half a cup of milk. Soak the rice before 2 hours. Take the beef and cook well. Now take a pot, add some water and salt. Put the beef to boil. Cook well, around half an hour. Now you can see the water is boiling. Beef is in process. Take a pot and heat it. Now you can see the pot is getting heat. For it, I am going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is heat, when the oil getting heat, you can add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add chopped onion, grated carrot, leeks, beans, tomatoes, and nicely cook. For this, you can add some turmeric powder, curry leaves, rumper leaves, and cook. For around 10 to 15 minutes, the vegetable gets cooked well. Here I am not added salt because I have put the salt to the beef that I cook. You can see the beef well cooked with the stir water. I am going to add to this. Yes, you can now see nice color. If you want this in spicy way, you can add some beef masala when you temper the carrots and all. Let it boil. Now you can see The stew is getting boiling and switch off the stove. Let it cool. In a rice cooker, I have put the soaked rice with the water and I have added salt, ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, onion, cardamom stick and ramper leaves to it. Let it cook for about 45 minutes. The rice is cooked well. Now you have to do is nicely mash. I have mashed this nicely. Now I'm going to add milk. Let this cook. I have mashed the rice well and I add coconut milk to this. Let it boil. The porridge is almost boiling now. Now we can put the stock water with the vegetable which we have cooked earlier. Add it. Mix it. Now the porridge is ready. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a like. Thank you.